agro. The other big mover in trade is Newgen Software. Just pull up that stock. In our special Insight Edge segment, we put focus on that stock. It's surging after reporting a good set of numbers and after the management told us that they are looking to grow at a faster pace than their own historical growth rate. In fact, Reema is here with more details on that. Reema, over to you.
Thanks so much for that. So yesterday as well, when the company reported their Q1 numbers, the stock rallied and it's seen a big follow-up up move. Now in the last 1 year, the stock has gained 110% and is sitting at fresh highs. Jefferies, post the numbers, has raised the target price on the stock to 860 with a buy rating. Now, in the Q1 numbers, what we've seen is that growth rate has accelerated for the company and growth is coming from all geographies. So all the geographies for the company are doing well, and consequently that in a lean quarter, the company has done a 33% growth rate. The management indicated that we expect Q2 to be strong as well. When asked about the whole year, they said that historically we've always seen a growth rate of about 20%, plus or minus. Our endeavor is to do better than that, grow faster than our historical growth rate, but it's too early to predict about H2. Jefferies believes the company is on track to do about a 23% CAGR growth over FY23 to FY25. On the subject of margins, now in Q1, margins for the company typically drop. And this quarter they've dropped to about 12.8%, but it's still higher compared to what we had same time last year. But margins recover after the drop in Q1, and the company said that EBITDA margins this year should be around 21%, while profit margins should be 17 to 18%. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Reema. In fact, earlier today, we did speak to the company's CEO about their growth targets and guidance for the year. Listen in.
Traditionally, we have grown at 20%. You're absolutely right. And I think we have been over years trying to push this growth rate because the addressable market for us is quite wide. And with our foray and investments in mature markets, we are trying to push that growth rate. We are keen to push that high. How high that's going to be right now and, this year is still too early. But I do think that we can do a strong Q2 as well. And then Q3, Q4, we'll have to look at how the market unfolds. The idea is to accelerate the mature market penetration for that. And those are the territories where we're looking at some inorganic. On the margin front, what we have said that we should be able to do around 21% of EBITDA and I think somewhere around between 17-18% of PAT. Now, it completely depends on how larger the top line we hit because the costs are pretty linear.
Okay, so that's Newgen Software. Some news on SJV.